How do you calculate the areas of rectangles, squares, parallelograms, and rhombuses? You calculate the area for any of these figures using the formula area equals base times height. Let's see how this works for a rectangle. The lengths of the two longest edges in this rectangle are 7, and the lengths of the two shortest edges are 3. We'll call this long edge the base of the rectangle, and this short edge the height. Let's insert these values into the area formula for a rectangle. 7 times 3, which is 21. The area of the rectangle is 21. Let's now look at a square. The lengths of the edges in this square are 5. Because base equals height in a square, the simplest area formula for a square is base squared. The area of this square is therefore 5 squared, which equals 25. Now let's take a look at a parallelogram. The length of the base is 5, and the height is 3. The area is therefore 5 times 3, which is 15. And finally, let's look at a rhombus. The formula for the area of a rhombus is also base times height. In this rhombus, the base is 4, and the height is 3. So, the area is 4 times 3, which equals 12. You calculate the area of rectangles, squares, parallelograms, and rhombuses using the formula area equals base times height.